for stopping by today's fashion. Today you're going to be watching me doing an acrylic nail set on my left hand. This will be my third time attempting to do an acrylic set on myself, so just bear with me. Hopefully this time is better than the last time because I am looking for more improvement. Today we're just going to go with a natural nail look, no polish or anything. I'm going to start off by using my natural nail tips that I purchased from Amazon. This is the first time that I use these nail tips since they're from a different brand. And just by looking at them, I do like them, but hopefully they stick well with my Kiss Nail Glue maximum speed that I always use. I absolutely love this Kiss Nail Glue. I never had any problems with anything, and it keeps my nails glued on my fingers for a good little while. So as I'm applying my nail tips to my fingers, I make sure that they fit from side to side. And I also apply pressure to the sides just to make sure there isn't any lifting or anything when applying my nail tips. It also eliminates the air bubbles as well as sometimes formulates underneath your nails and your nail tips. So we're just going to go ahead and apply each nail tip to each finger right now. Hopefully with these nail tips, I won't have to file the size or anything to make them fit. But if needed, I will absolutely do that. But let's hope that they fit without doing anything to the nail tips. When applying your nail tips, make sure to go from side to side and don't apply them on your skin because that can cause damage to your skin. Also, when applying acrylic to your nails, don't apply any to your cuticles, since that can damage your cuticles as well. Before I start the video, I always buff all my nails to get off the extra oils and just to make sure that it's free of any dirt or any excessive shine, to get that off of there. And I also push back my cuticles and use my cuticle nail cutter just to cut around my cuticles. And that helps a lot, especially as a beginner. If y'all have any comments about my nails, please leave them down below. Any suggestions, just let me know as well. Any help is greatly appreciated since I am a beginner nail artist. I'm probably gonna go with a medium length nail set today. I'm gonna stick with square, and hopefully they turn out real nice and real pretty. No rhinestones or anything, no polish, just a top coat to make it shine. So as I apply my nail tip, I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it firm. And these nail tips are really sturdy. They do have a curve to it, but I can't work with that. I really like these nail tips. And now we're just going to size the pinky. In my previous nail videos, I had to shape the pinky or cut the size of them to make them fit because of my weird pinky finger shape. But for this set, I didn't have to do anything to the nail tip and it fit perfectly. And I absolutely love this nail set for that. So I just applied the nail glue on it and applied the tip to my finger, and it fits so well. Okay, so this is the look after I apply all my nail tips on my fingers, and I actually like them so much. So I want to go ahead and grab my Kiss nail cutter just to go ahead and start cutting down my nails. I stated earlier that I don't want them too long. I do want a medium length today, so I don't want them too short either. But I want them long enough to where they're pretty, short enough to where I can function with them. And I'm just going to go back and cut them down a little bit more. Actually, at this point, I think I liked the length, but I didn't want to go beyond myself and get them that long, knowing that I can't function with nails too long. So we're just going to keep on cutting down till I get the desired length that I want. Then we're going to go in with my nail file and start shaping up these nails. While I'm shaping my nails, I like to look underneath them, look from the side as well to see how long they actually are going to be. And also while filing them, I like to hold the side of the nails just to keep them in place so it won't cause my nails to become crooked or anything like that. It also helps keep the nail in place while filing them, and it also makes sure that the nails is sturdy enough so it won't pop off while filing them. I mean, it may look like I'm filing the nails very aggressive in the video, but I promise you I'm not. It's just how fast I'm filing and the amount of pressure I'm putting on it, but it's not hurting or anything, and I'm not doing them as hard as it may look. At this point, I was debating on keeping them this length or cut them down. I do like this length, but however, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it a little bit more. And I'm just trying to make sure that each nail is even and each nail is the same length as well. This is an 80 by 80 nail file that I'm using. This is the same nail file from the first video that I made. So if you haven't checked out the previous two videos, be sure to go back on my page and watch those videos and see how far along I'm coming. Give me any tips from the first videos to the current video. Any help is greatly appreciated. continue to file and shape these nails. I'm trying to get these nails to perfection. I know they won't be perfect, but practice makes perfect. And I'm determined to master this skill. I actually been wanting to start my nail journey, but always procrastinated, and I'm very glad that I started now. I'm just going to get better and better and better. So, now I'm just following the top of them as well. I must say, following them and shaping them to the perfect shape that you want, it is a little bit time consuming if you don't have to write nail file. So I'm going to be getting another nail file soon that is more of a straighter edge and a more higher nail grit. Okay, so this is the final look after I filed them and shaped them up. So now we're just gonna go ahead and file the top of them just to get rid of the shine on top of the nail tips, and to go ahead and blend in that line. You want it to look as natural as you can. So I always like to go with my nail file and blend out that middle line from the nail tip with your original nail bed. I also like to file the top of them to take off that extra shine off these nails. You don't want to do it too hard because you don't want to strip your real nails or, bruise them or cause any harm to your real nails. So just go ahead and do it lightly. Make sure that you're not damaging your nails. But you're going to continue to do it for every finger. Using my hand file is one of the best methods because I know how to control it better, and you know that you aren't going to apply as much pressure as using the e-file whenever buffing up the top. So now I'm just going to go ahead and buff out the top with my hand nail buffer, just so we can give the shine and make sure everything is blending perfectly. So we're gonna buff and buff. Okay, now that I'm done buffing, I'm gonna go with my e-nail file and blend out those lines from the nail tips as well. I like for my nail tips to look as natural as possible without the line on it. So I'm not gonna do it hard. I'm just gonna do it very light and just work around in circles, so that way I'm not damaging my original nails. And I'm just going to repeat that for each finger. I did stop for this one because I felt a little burn, but that was because I think I did it too fast or too hard. So whenever I feel that sensation coming, I just go ahead and pause for a little moment and then continue on blending out that middle line as I normally would. I'm just going to continue for for each finger as I'm doing that now. I really want to try to do acrylic toes, or like acrylic big toe, and do my feet as well. So stay tuned, as that may pop up in one of the videos. I also want to start doing more nail designs as well. So in the next couple of videos, I may start doing more designs on my nails as well. So now I'm just going to use my nail duster to dust off the extra dust from my nails. So now that I dust off everything, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the nail primer to prep my nails before applying the acrylic on them. I really think this nail primer is really good, and it helps harden my nails, because sometimes my nails can be sensitive. But it has been working real good with this nail primer. And I like to prime it before applying the acrylic, just so it can stay longer, and so that way, you have a protective layer before the acrylic on your nails. So now that I'm done applying the nail primer, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final result after I applied the acrylic, buffed them out, shaped them, and used my e-file. And this is the result after I applied the top layer of the gel coat to it to give it that extra shine. I do like how they came out. I definitely will try to do it better and continue to improve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some comments down below.